Hello and welcome back to GoHighLevel Mastery course. Assalamu alaikum, this is Husnain from XortLogix. In this video, we are going to understand calendars in GoHighLevel. Not just how to create them, but how professionals actually use calendars in real client systems. Most beginners think calendars are just for booking calls. In reality, calendars are a core part of automation, lead management, and sales workflows inside GoHighLevel. In GoHighLevel, calendars are used to book discovery calls, schedule sales appointments, assign leads to specific team members, trigger automations after booking, control availability, time zones, and round-robin distribution. I'll come to it afterwards. If calendars are set up wrong, everything breaks. Reminders, workflows, even sales follow-ups. Inside GoHighLevel, you'll mainly work with personal calendars for single users, team calendars for sales team or support teams, round-robin calendars to distribute leads evenly. Choosing the wrong type is one of the most common beginner mistakes. While creating a calendar, always think about who is this calendar for, what happens after someone books, which workflow should fire, who owns the appointment. Professionals design the flow first, then connect the calendar, not the other way around. And calendars become powerful when connected with workflows. Confirmation messages, SMS and email reminders, internal notifications for the team, post-call follow-ups, missed call or no-show handling. Without workflows, a calendar is just a booking form. Like at XortLogix, we use calendars to automatically assign leads to sales reps, trigger different workflows based on appointment type, reduce no-show using smart reminders, track performance inside pipelines. This is how calendars turn into revenue systems, not just schedules. And now let's talk about some common mistakes that should be avoided. One calendar for everything, no time buffer between meetings, no reminder automation, no ownership or assignment logic. These mistakes cost clients time, money, and leads. In the next videos, we'll go deeper into calendar settings, round-robin logic, calendar-based workflows, real automation examples. If you want to learn GoHighLevel the right way, not just clicking buttons, you are in the right place. See you in the next video.